Are you aiming to become a data scientist and have chosen Python as your tool of choice? In this video, I will introduce you to essential Python libraries that every data scientist should know. I break them into three simple libraries: scientific computing libraries, data visualization libraries, algorithmic libraries. A Python library is a collection of functions and methods that allow you to perform lots of activities without running any code, or I can say that without reinventing the wheel. So let's start from the scientific computing libraries. In the scientific computing libraries, I place three most common used libraries that are Pandas, NumPy and Scikit-learn. Pandas help you to handle data in tables, making it easy to organize and analyze. The primary instrument of Panda is two-dimensional tables consisting of columns and rows, labels which are called data frames. When we talk about the NumPy, speed up the number of crunching with arrays, making calculation faster. In the Scikit-learn, give you advanced maths tool to solve complex problems. Okay, let's move to the data visualization libraries. In data visualization libraries, I basically place two most commonly used libraries, that is Matplotlib and Seaborn. Matplotlib is you go to create the charts and graphs that clearly shown your data. Okay, Seaborn built on Matplot makes those visuals even more attractive and easy to understand. In the algorithmic libraries, I place two most commonly used libraries, that is Scikit-learn and models. Okay, Scikit-learn offers simple tool for building models that predict trends and group of data, and the stats model help you to divide into the statistic analysis, letting you test ideas and uncover insight. Together, these libraries make data science accessible and fun, transforming raw number into insight that power our digital world. Ready to dive into the start exploring? Let's make data science simple and exciting.